so proud of you, sweetie. Congratulations. I'm wishing you a life of happiness. Be a good wife, just like you were a good daughter. Love you, Romero.
Lo que tú eres ahora, hijo, es un ejemplo para mí de verte realizado con una bellísima, hermosa mujer, tu esposa que es Gabriela, y con una bellísima familia que nos envuelve.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done.
Marriage is a promise made in the hearts of two people who love each other, which takes a lifetime to fulfill. Within the circle of its love, marriage encompasses all of life's most important relationships. A wife and a husband are each other's lover, teacher, listener, critic, and best friend. To make your marriage work will take love. Love is the core of your marriage. Love is the reason we're here today.
Gabby, I love you so much. Just remember this day is our day. And remember to enjoy every single moment.
Love is having somebody and putting their needs ahead of yours, making them feel comfortable and cared for, and as if they're never going to be alone again.
What do we do to love?